Hey everyone, my name is David Richard from WeeklyTools. Welcome back to our channel, the go-to place for all things automotive. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about: the NEIKO 40500A, a Car OBD2 scanner. If you're a car enthusiast, a DIY mechanic, or just someone who wants to understand their vehicle better, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we dive deep into the features, functionality, and user experience of this powerful diagnostic tool. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a closer look at the NEIKO 40500A. Its sleek design, compact size, and user-friendly interface make it a standout in the world of OBD2 scanners. But as we all know, it's not just about looks, it's about performance. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Alright, let's start with the basics. The NEIKO 40500A is an OBD2 scanner, which stands for Onboard Diagnostics. It's essentially a tool that communicates with your vehicle's computer to retrieve information about its health and performance. This is crucial for identifying issues, both big and small, and maintaining your car's optimal functioning. Now, let's talk about what sets the NEIKO 40500A apart. First and foremost, it's compatible with most OBD2 compliant vehicles, which includes cars, trucks, and SUVs, manufactured after 1996. This wide compatibility ensures that you can use it with a variety of vehicles, making it a versatile tool for any automotive enthusiast. One standout feature is the live data streaming capability. The NEIKO 40500A allows you to view real-time data from your vehicle, such as engine RPM, temperature, and sensor readings. This is incredibly useful for diagnosing issues and monitoring your car's performance on the go. Additionally, the scanner supports multiple OBD2 protocols, including CAN J1850, PWM J1850 VPU, ISO 9141, and KWP2000. This ensures that you can connect to and diagnose a wide range of vehicles without compatibility issues. Let's talk about user interface and navigation. The NEIKO 40500A features a user-friendly interface with a clear LCD screen. The menu is intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to navigate through the various functions. Whether you're checking diagnostic trouble codes, viewing live data, or accessing the I or M readiness status, the NEIKO 40500A simplifies the process. Now, let's put this scanner to the test. I've got a vehicle here with a few issues, and we're going to see how quickly and accurately the NEIKO 40500A diagnoses the problems. I'm impressed with the speed at which it retrieves diagnostic information. Within seconds, we have a list of trouble codes and relevant data displayed on the screen. This efficiency is a game changer, especially when you're dealing with time-sensitive repairs or diagnostics. Additional features. But wait, there's more. The NEIKO 40500A isn't just limited to basic diagnostics. It also supports advanced functions like O2 sensor testing, evap system testing, and onboard monitoring. These features make it a comprehensive tool for tackling a wide range of automotive issues. Here are some of the benefits of using the NEIKO 40500A, a Car OBD2 scanner. Saves you money by being able to diagnose and fix your car problems yourself. You can save money on mechanic fees. Keeps your car running smoothly by identifying and fixing problems early. You can prevent your car from breaking down and keep it running smoothly. Gives you peace of mind knowing that you can diagnose and fix your car problems yourself. Can give you peace of mind when you're on the road. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: wide vehicle compatibility, real-time data streaming, intuitive user interface, fast and accurate diagnostics, advanced testing capabilities. Cons: limited code coverage. Overall, the NEIKO 40500A, a Car OBD2 scanner is a good basic scanner for reading and clearing trouble codes. However, it is not the best choice for users who need more advanced features such as live data and freeze frame data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned and drive safe.